I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Today let's talk about Pilates ergonomics. Which part of Pilates ergonomics? Well, push, don't pull. And that means about setting up your apparatus. I see a lot of Pilates teachers pulling their reformer or Cadillac into place. That is really bad for your back. I see it with Wunder chairs all the time too. You gotta push heavy apparatus, don't pull. Yesterday I saw a beautiful, wonderful teacher pushing her reformer by pushing her leg, yet she was talking about having sacroiliac joint dysfunction that week. Well, that's a great way to give yourself sacroiliac dysfunction, by shoving your apparatus around with the side of your leg. What you gotta do is you gotta get behind your apparatus. You might have to pull it out a little bit, so you better pull your low abdominals and grow tall when you do. But then you push your apparatus. You never pull your apparatus unless, of course, you're looking to give yourself back trouble. So, get around your apparatus and give it a good shove. You square off to it and push. So, same thing for your reformers or your Cadillacs. You want to pull them around? Don't pull with your body weight. Totally great way to give yourself back trouble. Don't do it twisted or pull with one arm. Move yourself around your apparatus, square yourself off, and push. That's where you'll just naturally have the most amount of abdominal support for your back and be able to really do it without hurting yourself. If you can't do that, you just can't move that apparatus, and that's how it goes, unless you're willing to get yourself hurt. Please don't hurt yourself. Push, don't pull. Thanks.